आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the question consists of two parts. We need to evaluate the value of sine inverse of half of cos inverse of 4 by 5, and we need to evaluate the value of sine of 2 tan inverse of 2 by 3 plus cos of tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Okay, so let's solve up this question one by one. So first I will be starting up by solving the first one. Okay, so what we are having sine of 1 by 2 into cos inverse of 4 by 5. So in most of the questions, the first thing that you need to do is to put this whole thing as alpha. Okay, so let me put this whole thing. We will also include this 1 by 2 also. So let us put this whole thing, that is 1 by 2 cos inverse of 4 by 5 as alpha. So if I put this whole thing as alpha, what I will be getting is, I will be getting cos 2 alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, I will be getting cos 2 alpha equal to 4 by 5. Now the next thing is, I will express my cos 2 alpha in terms of sine alpha, because in the question I am having this sine. Okay, so I will be expressing this cos 2 alpha in terms of sine. Okay, so cos 2 alpha is 1 minus 2 sine square alpha, and this quantity is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, now this quantity is equal to 4 by 5. So from here we can find out the value of sine square alpha, and the value of sine square alpha from here is going to be 1 by 2 times 1 minus 4 by 5, and I have just simplified this expression, and from here one can get the value of sine alpha, and sine alpha is nothing but 1 by root 10. Sine alpha, the value of sine square alpha will be 1 by 10. The value of sine alpha that you can get is 1 by root 10. But in the question, okay, so from here, once again, I can find out my alpha, and my alpha comes out as sine inverse of 1 by root 10. So the required value, so the required thing that we have to find out, so sine inverse of 1 by 2 cos inverse of 4 by 5 will be equal to sine inverse, will be equal to sine of, will be equal to sine of, will be equal to sine of 1 by sine inverse of 1 by root 10. So finally your answer comes out as 1 by root over 10. Okay, so 1 by root over 10 is the answer for our very first part, and now I will be discussing the second part. We need to evaluate sine of 2 tan inverse 2 by 3 plus cos of tan inverse root 3. Okay, so let us see what we need to find out. Second thing that we need to prove is sine of 2 times tan inverse of 2 by 3. Tan inverse of 2 by 3 plus cos of tan inverse of root 3. Okay, so let us solve this question step by step, and let us see. Okay, so here I will be applying the formula of 2 tan inverse x. The formula of 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Okay, and over here 2 by 3 will act like our x over here. Okay, so 2 by 3 will act like x over here. Okay, so plus cos of, okay, and tan inverse root 3 is nothing but pi by 3. Okay, so this is cos of pi by 3, and over here one can get tan inverse of, if you simplify this, it will be 4 by 3 divided by 1 minus 4 by 9. 1 minus 4 by 9. So if you simplify, and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So now if I simplify this, that is, it will become sine of tan inverse of 12 by 5, and tan inverse of 12 by 5 is nothing but sine inverse of 12 by 13 plus 1 by 2. So finally your answer will come out as 12 by 13 plus 1 by 2, which is 25 by 26.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।